Hello everyone, let's see how to update your staff profile. First of all, go to your college website, which is hptrykycollege.qviple.com. Afterwards, click on new login section, and from new login section, you will get an option to enter your mobile number. By entering your register mobile number and proceeding to send OTP, you will receive an OTP on that particular mobile number. And after authentication, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On dashboard, to view your profile details, click on Profile Views and More at upper right corner. From there onwards, click on View Profile. Here you will be able to see all the details which you have updated previously for your profile. To update your profile photo, you can click on this camera icon and can update your profile photo. To update your profile details, click on Edit Staff Form icon and then choose your faculty type, whether teaching or non-teaching. And afterwards you will be able to update your profile details. There will be some fields such like this, where you will be able to add multiple list of contents into that particular field, but the only first 5 list of content will be shown on your website, so kindly update your profile in that order only. For more information, kindly contact support section.